Hello, my lovely zodiacs, and today is weekly zodiac guidance day. So let's see what is there for Aries this week. Aries, you will be in a very stable kind of position. You might get lots of offers, business or career or personal offers or something. So it's a very good week ahead for you guys. Shelf life, every relationship has a shelf life, ends one day. So whatever is ending, you have to just let it go and you have to move on for the better thing. Baba is suggesting that, and something better is coming up in your life as per angels. And Taurus, Taurians, you guys might get some arranged marriage proposals, and marriage might get fixed up. Whoever is fighting court cases and all, they might get justice. So this is a very good week ahead for you guys. Harmony, let there be a harmony of mind, body and soul. This will create balance of all elements. Baba's suggestion is that create some harmony between everything and reconsider whatever the options you have. It might give you the good results. Gemini, you are in a very depressive kind of situation, and you are thinking a lot. Overthinking sometimes kills Gemini. So move ahead, because still you have this rays of hope, and you have to move ahead very confidently. You will get over of this kind of situation by 9th of next month or within 9 weeks time. So be hopeful in your life, and be the light, be the hope and light in someone's life, like a lighthouse kind of thing. Baba is suggesting that. So hope is all you require for this week ahead. You might not feeling good or something. Not the right time to take up any new projects or any new relationship or anything new. So please hold on for some time. I am sure that better time will come up soon for you guys. Cancer. Cancer, it is a very good week. The Sun card is the best card in tarot, and you might get lots of opportunities, business opportunities, job opportunities, marriage proposals, whatever you are looking for, you can get it. It's a very good week, and try to make most of it. So Cancer, as per tarot, it's a very good thing, and do some seva and charity. Baba is saying that serving the needy, he used to love it, and that will serve your purpose as well. So it will help you to for your soul growth. And do not stop whatever the project or new things you have taken up, because you have to move forward in your life. So move forward confidently. Everything is good in this week, so do better. Best of luck. Leo, wonderful time again. You guys will be getting lots of opportunities again, lots of good things. Whatever you were manifesting or praying, universe is going to offer you very soon, and it is coming. Means this week onwards only, you will feel some changes, shift in energies, and you will feel hopeful also. So this is a very good week for you guys. Free will, give your free will to Baba, not your desired script. So surrender, basically Baba is asking, surrender yourself to Baba. Whatever you are wanting, like XYZ or something, it might not be for your highest good. So whatever Baba has planned, just let that happen. Let that happen in the divine timing. So be hopeful for that as well. And forgiveness, you need to require some forgiveness. You need to give some forgive yourself or give forgiveness to others. Do Ho'oponopono and all. It will help you a lot. Virgo, this came into reverse, that you are feeling too unstable in your life, and no career growth, nothing is happening. So very sad time is going on, but don't lose hope. Better time will come up soon. And growth, masters, like parents, give bitter medicines for our own cleansing and growth. So whatever it is, take it like that way and move ahead. No, this is not the right time. Whatever you are thinking of, a new project or new business or anything, this is not the correct one. Whatever the question you have right now, it is a it is absolutely no right now. So be careful whatever you are choosing. And Libra, you are too hopeful. You are moving forward for with confidence, and some overseas opportunities can come up, and you guys might be waiting for someone to offer your love or marriage proposals or something. You can get it. So it's a very good week for you guys. Also face the reality and stop running after marriage. It's an illusion. So whatever it is, face it and accept your situations. Trust, have some trust on your guru, baba, god, everyone. It will help you to means like for your soul growth and all. So have faith on the process and everything. Scorpio, you are feeling too stuck in this week, and you are feeling like there is no way ahead or something, but you are still in your strength and you are fighting for your own rights, and keep doing it. Something better will come up within the 9th of December for Scorpio, and be hopeful. The power of Uri, use Uri as much as possible. Drink Uri water after taking bath and all. It will help you in each and every way. Seek some help from helpful people. They might give you some guidance and all. So be hopeful and take some suggestions from helpful people. Sagittarius, you are too burdened with a few things. You want to move ahead and you are putting all your strengths towards that, and you will get better results within 10 days time or 10 weeks time. So be in this position only and try as much as possible. Trust, Shraddha and Saburi, be patient and everything will fall in place. Baba is saying that. And get more information before you signing a new deal or getting into a new job offer, new relationship. Get as much as information you can. So this is the thing. Capricornians, you are feeling too depressed or low or something, but end of this week you will feel very energetic and something better you can expect. So number 8 will be playing a significant role this week, and you will be feeling better. So whatever it is right now, it might be some heavy energy, but till means number 8 or something might be later half of the week, end of the week, that will give you a better result. Life purpose, your purpose of life is as a caretaker and light worker of planet Earth. So do as much as possible, get in touch with nature and all. Wait for a few days and everything is going to fall in place. That is the angel's guidance for you. Aquarius, you will be in a very jovial kind of situation. You will be in fool's energy and mast magan type, whatever it is. You have accepted everything in your life, and you want to move ahead with your own decisions and choices, and this is a good time for you guys. Celebration, again good news, time for celebration, it is ahead, and Baba is saying that everything will be good at your end. Yes, whatever you are thinking, it is a right time for you guys and you might go ahead. Pisces, some solid offer you can expect, be it personal or professional life, marriage proposals, anything you can expect. It's a very good week for you, but keep trying, don't be lethargic or something, and be hopeful as well. Dhuni, whatever the sorrow you have, worries you have, fear you have to burn it in Baba's Uri. Apply Uri on your forehead, use Uri water a lot, so it will help you. And opportunities, see new opportunities are coming up, and be hopeful. Abundance you can expect. Many things, personal, professional life, all will flourish, and that is the thing for this week for all zodiac. Hope you liked it. Like, share, subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.